Alrighty. Oh, not too bad. How about yourself besides this?
Since 1:37. I've been waiting.
Well, we got the call.
Oh,
yeah. I just got back from Coos Bay, actually, so.
So here's the deal. We were driving, we picked it up in Portsmouth. It's got 113 miles on it.
Oh, nice.
All mine except for 17. Okay. So we drove down. We just about a block and a half from here. I stop at a light. It goes bam. And shuts down.
Okay.
So I left it in drive because it's got one of those auto start things.
Yeah.
Started, but the light wouldn't go out.
Okay.
So we were concerned, so we called Avis and they said, oh, it's got to be taken care of.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, any warning lights or anything, they automatically...
the other thing is, because I'm an old-time mechanic, because I heard the bang, I checked the engine. The oil is pretty low. It's not light low where the light would come on.
Yeah.
But for a brand new car,
You would think.
so we can technically move it
Okay.
and you can drive it up on it or whatever you want.
All right. Well,
Let
so...
me rephrase that. We can technically try to move it.
as long as we can, it's kind of downhill, so even if I got to push, that's all right.
Oh yeah, no, I don't think that'll
So,
be.
all right, so I just got to get some information off of it, and are you riding back with me, or?
No.
Okay.
This is where they got my wife an Uber to go all the way down to Eugene Airport to get it.
Yep, that's where I'm going with this, so.
My wife says, text me the number. Roadside assistance. I guess she means that number.
Yeah.
Here, I'll unlock it first, and you can do whatever you need.
All right. And they called it white too, so that's.
I know, and we told them it says white on here, but it's black.
Yeah. My phone's just acting up. It doesn't like living, I don't think. So I'll go ahead and pull forward, and then I'll just back it out, and you got everything you want out of here.
Everything is Avis's.
Alrighty. Well, I hope the next one is all right.
Well, she's at the airport now, so we'll find out.
Alrighty. I hope you have a better weekend. I hope.
Thanks, Mark. Well, you're probably not Mark, right?
No, I'm David.
David?
Yep.
No problem.
So no problem.
John.
Pleased to meet you. All right, so we'll get this up a little bit. And we'll see if it'll back out, and we'll go from there. Yeah, we'll see what it does.
In case it doesn't start, I'll push it for you.
And start button. There we go. These new rigs.
Sure look nice down here.
Yeah, it's not even showing up anything on the there.
You notice the oil light's not showing.
Yeah.
But that stupid A. Now you can push that button over there a second from the down on the. See what it says A there?
Okay.
Yeah, that's supposed to take the system out until you drive it. It started again, but same thing. It still didn't go out, so
okay.
That's when I became a little concerned.
It's running rough. So, all right. Well,
Hey.
at least I can get it moved, hopefully. And there we go. Oh, these lovely, lovely new cars. Of course, I can't complain. I just got a new truck, so. But at least it's still not quite like these are. I mean, the things aren't even lighting up, or it's not doing anything it's supposed to. We'll see if I can get it into neutral here. Park. There we go. So that doesn't mess.
Alright, Dave, have fun.
Oh, I'll give her a shot. Alright, and there's the new, I think that's the new Reeser Stadium, rebuilt one, which however you want to call it. It's the Beaver Stadium. Let's see what we got to deal with down here. Nothing in the jack hole. It's all plastic. Oh, it's not plastic, it's like fiberglass. That's ridiculous. Like nowhere to hook up. That's alright. Let's do it the old-fashioned way. Hook onto the A-arm, nothing behind it, get snagged by it. Let's see, 113 miles. Reverse, neutral, parking brake off, parking brake off. Alright, so now the thing won't stay in neutral, so we get to see if there's anything in here. It tells me, because I doubt anybody's got anything on this one. Emergency fueling, towing a disabled vehicle. $291. I doubt there's anything in here, because last time I saw one and it said for towing please contact a professional. It's like yeah, we don't know. Not always. Let's see. Manual park release. Oh, okay. Down below. Cool. I can do that.
Out of that? Possibly.
There we go. Just touch. We'll try that. See if that'll work. I'm actually kind of surprised and happy that the manual actually showed you how to do that. So I've seen them before on this where they've showed that as what to do. So yeah. That was a possibility. Which I do have some skates and some WD-40 for sliding things on and off. His arrow's off a little bit. Not open it all the way. That happened. So, put it that way, didn't I? There we go. that. I think what's happening, or it could be happening, is because I'm putting the strap on when the deck's bent, when the deck's tilted. There we go. And I think I'm not tilting it with it. I'm doing straight. And I think that's part of the problem. I got to remember when the deck's tilted, I need to go same angle as the deck. That one's not quite as bad. I think that one will be alright. Okay. So guys, we are off to the airport. Rare normal tow. So we'll see you guys in the drop point. Alright guys, here we are at the airport. First time I've been to the airport in a new truck. Normally go where everybody's got those cars parked, but we'll find out. Yeah, it's an Avis, so it's a runner. Just got to check engine light.
Okay. So these are all our cars in this back corner. If there's any way you could park it close to the hedge over there.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Awesome, thank you.
You're welcome. It'd be nice if they would, you know, kind of label this stuff of where we're supposed to park these things, because they get really, really upset if you park these things in the wrong spot. But, you know, without something to tell us where we're supposed to park these things, how are we supposed to know where to park them? So, let's see. I think I can still make it around here. So I'm pointed the right way. Oh yeah. Could have just backed up and all the way, or turned around that way, but that's alright.